Hi there. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a Universal Analytics Google account or Google property instead of what is now the default Google Analytics 4. So as you probably know, Google has launched a new version over the last few months called Google Analytics 4. And now if you're setting up a new property or a new account, the default is it's going to steer you towards Google Analytics 4. But there might be good reasons why you want to stick with Universal Analytics, and so I'm going to show you how you can do that today. So this example assumes that you're starting completely from scratch. So you've got a new Google account and you've logged in and you're seeing this Welcome to Analytics screen and being asked to set up the account from scratch. If you already have a Google account and you want to add a new account or a new property within that account, the process is basically the same, but you obviously would be starting at a slightly later stage than this screen. So here we are on the welcome screen. We're going to click Start Measuring, and it wants to know the account details. So I'm going to call this My Food Website. So this is just a demo site rather than a real site, but you would obviously put in your name or your company name or whatever it is that you want as the account name. And then we'll keep these options here as they are and click Next. And so then it's asking for the property details. So the property is the website or the app, whatever it is that you want to measure. So in this case, the property is My Food Website. And the reporting zone is United Kingdom and the currency is British pound. So keep those the same. And then you can see here it's saying create a Google Analytics 4 property. If you click on Show Advanced Options, here comes the option to create a Universal Analytics property. So if we toggle that on, we'll see now it asks for the website URL. So here the URL is My Food Website. And then we've got two options here. We can create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property, or we can create a Universal Analytics property only. You can run both side by side and it will start collecting data from the day that you set it up. So it's probably sensible to create both. Even if you plan for now on only using Universal Analytics. But if you wanted to create just a Universal Analytics property, you would click this button and then you've got this Next. And then it will ask you what sort of business you're in, how many employees do you have, how you intend to use. So I'm going to measure customer engagement with my website, but tell it whatever the answer is for you. And then you would click Create, and that would then go ahead and set up the new account for you. So you accept the terms and conditions, you do accept. You can untick all of these and save. And then here you go. It's generated for you. Sorry, let's just dismiss that. It's generated your tracking ID and your global site tracking tag, which you would install on your website in the normal manner. We've got another video that would show you how to do that, particularly if you're using a WordPress site. So that's it. That's how to set up a Universal Analytics property in the new Google interface.